Yeah, hello scrappers. Been busy this morning. Had a woman called the other day, had this side by side that's on the back here. So I told, she was at work or something yesterday, so she said, Saturday or Sunday morning would be fine. And then had a guy call this morning, had a couple of refrigerators, a couple of freezers. So went by his first, put side by side in the back of the truck, and then went to load this freezer here up, and we couldn't get the thing to break over because he'd moved him around with this bobcat or something. So we untied the power cord from the handle, looked in there, and he had a big old cast iron motor in that thing, plus a computer monitor up in the top, an old computer monitor, CRT monitors. So we got all the parts of that motor out of there and whatnot. Then it was real easy to break over on the two-wheeler. So it was that one and little one, which I knew I'd probably have to put one in the back of the truck, and I thought it'd be better to put one in there while the trailer's empty. Got a little bitty fridge here, a lot smaller than the rest. So I've been trying to take it easy on my knee the last couple days. Been out here doing a little bit, but not too much. So getting ready to unload it. I got a guy coming after a barrel, so I get it unstrapped. Maybe might be here shortly, so figure I'll try to knock the video out before he gets here anyway. Then my wife gave me a little project to do. She got a little shelf. It's got kind of round, it hangs on the wall. It's got kind of rounded edges, but she wants to stand it up on the countertop. So I got to measure and cut the bottom off where it's square, where it will stand up. So I'll get the straps off of this and probably get the tractor. Then I can just kind of put the forks down, and I can just tip that thing over on the tractor, and it'd be a lot easier to move like that than it would be to try to push it around with the two-wheeler, on the two-wheeler. So I hope everybody's doing okay. And I don't know, more refrigerators. Yeah, I got a $20 tip on this last one too, so can't complain on that. It's a good stamp. So, to let you guys know what I'm up to. I've been got a pretty good start on this trailer, which I got that pressure tank there to throw on there, and that little fridge, and that little bit of stuff, try to get it on there. And then I got my two bins over there. They're pretty full, so they can go on. And then this bin's got some, and I got a pressure tank there I can put on there. So I try to get this stuff on. That grill I might throw it on top. That's what I'm kind of thinking. Tie it down on top, up in the front. And then maybe towards the back, throw a couple riding mowers up on the top or something. But I got another grill right here that I still got to get the controls out of. Probably need to flip the thing upside down and take a look at them, see if they're brass or copper, or brass or aluminum. So, or maybe, I don't know. Drag them up close to the shop and use a plasma cutter. Okay, I'm going to get off of here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm coming along. Like I say, right there's a third of a load on that other trailer. Yet Metal Check's paying good again, so I may just, after this load here, just start putting them on the dump trailer again. So, thought I'd do a quick update. I've been inside the shop tearing down or cleaning up some small compressors. Got all the tops down there. Got a few little pieces up here, and I got the ends cut off of all of them. That's the ends over there in the other bucket. So, getting ready to get started. This is that little shelf she wants me to work on. I got a little copper down in there. Anyway, try to end this video again. So we'll see you guys in the next video, and let you know I'm still kicking and staying busy. So happy scrapping, folks. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.